Hello, this is going to be another short video about my P2 Princess Wales and my Stanier Black 5.
To the Midland Model Railway, the Triple MR for sure.
That's because I'm going to use my Hornby DCC HM7000 app. I'm going to control my P2 and my Black 5, and what I'm going to do, I don't think I've done this before. See, with analog you can put two locos on the same track, but as soon as you turn on the power, both locos will go at the same time. If you turn off the power, both locos will stop at the same time. But with this, I can have one loco, well, I can have two locos on the same track. I can have one loco going and the other loco stop. And I don't think I've done that before on my MMMR. So let's give this a whirl and see what happens. Right, I hope you can hear me. I'm going to try. Right, I've got P2 at the station and the Stanier Black 5 just around the corner next to living steam straights and sidings area, right. And of course the P2 is on the Cadbury straight. Okay, so let's get this going. Right, I can see the Black 5 starting to go and the P2 is still stopped. Okay, so that's going to catch up the P2 in a second, so let's get the P2 started going. So that's going. So I've got you see the P2 is steaming a little bit. And the Stanier's got a bit stuck. Let's give it a hand. This is exciting. I've got two locos doing two different speeds. I don't know if let's make the P2 a bit faster perhaps. That's going to, oh, let's just stop the Stanier. And the P2's got stuck for some strange reason. Oh, hang on, let's just stop. Right, it's derailed itself, so let's go again. So that's the P2. Got the Stanier going there as well. Get this little loco going as well. I'm going to have a crash. this southern going as well. On the inner line, or should I say, oh, that's an analog loco going. Let's make this go a bit faster. Lost it's just stopped the Prince of Wales. And Stanier got stuck. Go back to the, and then let's just bring this up and let's get this. And Stanier's got stuck again. Don't know why it's been getting stuck. Trying to control 4 locomotives at the same time. Stop. This is what I mean. I've got this black 5 there and the P2 there, both stop, but what I can do is make the P2 start going while the black 5 is still stopped in the same track, or I stop the P2. See, the P2 is now stopped, and now I can make black 5 see, and the P2 is there. There's the black 5 and there's the P2. If I make the black 5 stop, there's the black 5 and the P2 is still going. You get the idea now, and that's because of HM7000. Well, that's my quick video about the P2 Prince of Wales and the Black Stanier Black 5. So thanks for watching. That's my P2 there and my Stanier Black 5. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.